Good morning, everybody. Today is April 21st. It is Tuesday. I'm going to do some math. We are talking about subtracting, and it says subtract to compare in word problems, day one. All right. So we know when we subtract, we take away. We know that. We know we use the minus sign. So those are things about subtracting. And in a word problem, we always have to figure out if that's really what we need to do. So let's take a look at our word problem like we do all of our problems. And it says, there are 4 umbrellas. There are 6 animals. Are there more animals or umbrellas? All right, so every time we read a math problem, the first thing we do is think, what are we talking about? So we're talking about umbrellas and animals. So that's kind of weird. Usually we're talking about one thing. But we're going to compare the number of umbrellas to the number of animals. All right, so what do we know? We know there are 4 umbrellas, and we know there are 6 animals. And what do we want to know? We want to know, are there more animals or umbrellas? Which one do we have more of? So first, before we go any further, you can think in your head, I know which number is bigger than the other one, right? A lot of you do. So if you know, you would be able to answer this right away. You'd say, oh, there's more animals because 6 is bigger than 4. But we don't all know that right away. That doesn't come automatically to all of us. So I am going to do this. I'm going to draw some pictures. Now, we know I'm not great at the pictures. Be kind. All right. So my umbrellas are going to look like this. A little hook. 1 umbrella. 2 umbrellas. 3 umbrellas, 4 umbrellas. Now, 6 animals. So I'm going to tell you, on your math pages, it's like little pictures of skunks and things like that. I am not going to try to do that. I am going to draw a circle for my animals. Maybe I'll give them legs, maybe not. All right, so I have 6 animals. So I'm going to go right underneath this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll give them faces and ears. That's close enough for animals. Close enough. I don't need to spend a lot of time on this. They're kind of cute, actually. All right. So just looking at this, I can tell immediately that I've got more animals, right? Because if I buddy these guys up, I've got 2 over here. So I know I have more animals than umbrellas. So I could even do this. I could say animals are greater than umbrellas. Perfect. What if I didn't have anything to draw with, but I had these cool Unifix cubes? What if I had these? So I could do my umbrellas first, right? So I've got 4 umbrellas. And I have 6 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now looking, do I have more umbrellas or more animals? And I can still tell that I have more animals. Good. More animals. Good. All right. So I'm going to put these cubes down for a minute. But the other thing it says is subtracting. I don't see any subtraction. I drew some pictures and I used some cubes, but how was that subtracting? Where's my minus sign? Here's what I'm going to tell you. Let's start with our big number. So our big number is 6, right? I'm going to go back to this purple because I like it. 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus, how many umbrellas do we have? 4. 6 minus 4. And again, if we buddy these guys up, how many do I have left over? 1, 2. Right, so I could have gone 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. I also could have gone like this. 4, 5, 6, counting on. So this is how we subtract to compare. So we know that we have more animals than umbrellas. All right. Have a great day. Keep on learning. I'll see you tomorrow.